Flea market. May nagbayad tayo noon ng tour, may. Nagbayad tayo ng tour noon. Kaya sumakay tayo.
Ito parang naalala ko ito.
Yeah. Nagbayad tayo ng tour noon, may. Oh, may. Puerto Vallarta. May magtingin tayo dito. Katabi ito yung pirate. Tingin tayo dito. Video yan ni ha. No. Okay. Flea market. Hola señor, buenas tardes. Ahora, no, later on. Oh, later on is still more. Yeah. Hola. How much is your sombrero? Sombrero. This one, this.
45.
35. Hola. Buenos días.
Días. Pásale, tenemos mochila.
Mochila. Sombrero. Me looking for sombrero.
Sombrero.
Yeah, this much, senor. How much this sombrero?
Like this one.
One sombrero inside, huh? May camero o sombrero?
Yes, pásale, mira.
Oh. Puerto Vallarta. Ito, Puerto Vallarta. How much this, señora?
Ese $15.
Oh.
Take it for 13.
Oh. Oh, Puerto Vallarta.
Okay. Give me $12.
Oh. This should be $12.
$12.
Yeah.
$10, okay.
Oh.
Take it for 10.
Later on, señora, we come back.
$10.
Yeah, no, señor.
I
Señora,
got it. How much?
this one here, $5 in Masalan. Yours is expensive, oh, yeah.
Ese muy
Yeah.
bueno, loco.
Oh, really?
Loco,
The same, loco. This one, Masalan,
Ajá.
$5.
Cinco.
Yours is 13, oh.
En Matsalya.
Matsalyan,
Okay,
yeah.
take you for
Thank
$10.
you. Señor, okay, smart time, thank you. Hola, oy, tell me, sorry. Mabanggo ka?
for amiga?
Ah. Yeah, looking around, señora. Uy, all the rules. Dito pala. Yeah, oh, wow, sige. Puerto Vallarta. Uy. Oh, how much is that, señor?
This is for 50, for $12.
15. Oh. No, not yet. We come back.
Yeah?
Yeah. 8. Dito, straight lang tayo, may. Ganda, oh. System. Oo, yeah. Grabing mahal na, yeah. Too much naman sila. Yeah. Okay, ano? Uy, dagat na pala yun, oh. May there, oh. Dagat na. Wow, marina.
Sinita sa Pilipino.
Senyor, yeah, Filipino from Manila. Oh, yeah. Later on, senyor. Senyor, gato na. May, oh. Marina, oh. Yeah. Oo. Sabi niya, Pilipino daw tayo.
No, pag makabenta sa ano?
Hindi yung ganito, May, oh. Ganda, oh.
Ay, sa amiga. Amigo.
Amiga, amigo.
Amiga y amigo.
Oo.
Hi, my friend. What's up? Yeah, $2.